The mock drill began here at the Sikorsky Memorial Airport this morning as the air traffic controller okayed the landing of an airplane operated by a charter airline. However, at that same moment, the script called for a truck carrying crates of engine parts to accidentally drive onto runway 16. The truck got through a gate left open by children who had broken the lock and then headed directly toward the path of the landing airplane. That set the stage for this mock airport disaster. Within moments, an airport rescue squad was on the scene dumping foam and dry powder on the fiery hull of the airliner. Fire engines from Bridgeport and Stratford also responded to the alarm. Men with fireproof gear eventually took over in the hot spots to try and drown the fire. And while all that was going on, emergency medical personnel carried away 3 victims who were designated as injured and 5 who were labeled as dead. Members of the Federal Aviation Administration witnessed Airport Disaster Drill 84, and they say they'd like to see these drills conducted more often.
Well, we'd like to see them hold a drill annually. It doesn't have to be on the airport, but just so that they can work with the hospital and with the local mutual aid to be certain that everybody knows what they're supposed to do.
If this were a real airport disaster, hopefully I would be standing here telling you about the great job done by the local EMS and fire departments, as well as the Airport Rescue Service. That is also the hope of Airport Manager Morgan Kaolian, and that's precisely the reason why he had this mock disaster.
To provide an experience for us to see if in fact we have any holes in our plan and to rectify that, to improve our method of fighting such a fire.
The FAA says the biggest problems to watch out for in an airport disaster are finding out who's in charge and setting up a line of communication. But those and other snags could be minimized if this exercise becomes an annual event. In Stratford, I'm Frank Boris, News 12.